Hello students, welcome to your maths class. I am Jyoti Sachdeva from SCJ DAV School Haripura. Today we will discuss the properties of HCF and LCM, the chapter factors and multiple. First property is HCF of given number is not greater than any of the number. Means when we find the HCF of the numbers, it can't be the greater than any numbers, either 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, how many numbers are there, but when we find the HCF is smaller. Second property is LCM of given number is not smaller than any of the number. Means when we find the LCM of the numbers, then LCM is always greater than the given numbers. Third one, HCF of given number is a factor of their LCM. Means when we find the HCF of given numbers and LCM of given numbers, both the things we find HCF and LCM also, then HCF is factor. HCF is the factor of the LCM. Means HCF divides this LCM. Same thing is here. LCM of given number is the multiple of their HCF. When HCF divides the LCM, it means LCM is the multiple of the HCF. If HCF of two numbers is 1 of the number, if we have two numbers and when we find the HCF and we find the HCF that is one of the number from the given numbers, कि उन given numbers में से ही one number हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा HCF, then LCM is the greater number. LCM जो आएगा वो greater number होगा और HCF क्या होगा, then वो smaller number. HCF because HCF is the smaller than the LCM. HCF of co-prime numbers is 1. We always know that when co-prime numbers are, when their common factor is 1, HCF means highest common factor. जब common factor even है, then highest common factor is already 1. LCM of co-prime numbers, then LCM क्या होगा, then is the product of the number. Common कुछ भी नहीं है, means हम उसको divide ही नहीं कर सकते, then their LCM is the product of that. And the last property is product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is equal to the product of the number. कि when we have given numbers, then we find the HCF and LCM both the things, then when we check that product of two numbers is equals to the multiplication of the HCF and LCM. Now let's start the worksheet 7. In this worksheet 7 we will use all these properties. First question, for each of the following pairs of numbers, some pairs of numbers are given like this. First pair is 10 and 15. Verify the product of number is equals to the product of their HCF and LCM. Means like this 8th property की तरह हमें क्या चेक करना है कि product of numbers, this one is a property, product of numbers is equals to the product of HCF and LCM. It means firstly we find the HCF and LCM of the numbers. For HCF, 15 is the greater number, we divide it with the 10. 10 ones are 10, 5 is the remainder. Now 10 become the dividend, we divide it, 5 to the 10. It means their HCF is equals to 5. Now find the LCM. 10 and 15, divide it with the 5, 5 2 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15. Now with the 2, after that with the 3. Now LCM is 5 into 2, 10, 10 3 is a 30. It means LCM is 30. Now put the values in the property. Product of numbers is equals to, firstly we take the left hand side as product of numbers. Numbers are 10 and 15, then their product is 150. Now take the right hand side, that is the multiplication of HCF and LCM. HCF is 5 and LCM is 30. Now their product is 150. It means product of two numbers is equals to HCF multiply LCM. Let's see the second part. Same like this, 35 and 40. Firstly we find the HCF. 40 is the dividend because bigger number is the dividend. 35 is the divisor. 35 ones the 35. 5 is the remainder. Now remainder become the divisor and previous divisor become the dividend. 5 sevens are 35. It means HCF is equals to 5. Now find the LCM. 35 and 40. Divide these numbers with the 5. 5 sevens are 5 eights are. Now with the 7 1 8. With the 2 4. Again with the 2. Again with the 2. Now LCM is 5 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now 5 twos are 10. After that 7 twos are 14. 14 twos are 28. 28 into 10 280. Now check the left hand side. That is left hand side is product of numbers. Our numbers are 35 and 40. When we multiply, it's become 140. And right hand side, HCF multiply LCM. HCF is 5 and LCM is yet we find 280. Here is 35 4 the 140 and 1 0 more. When we multiply it, their product is also 1400. Therefore product of, we have to verify na, it means left hand side is equals to right hand side. Product of two numbers is equals to HCF multiply LCM. Okay. Now see the second question. Find the HCF and LCM by using the property 1 used in 1. जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमने प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ की है उसी से हमने HCF LCM निकालना है. बट वी कैन फाइंड ओनली वन थिंग विद दिस मेथड. And firstly we find their LCM or HCF. Which thing you find that easy? आपको जो चीज़ इजी लगती है वो निकाल लो. मैं दोनों मेथड से एक एक करवा दूंगी. अगर हमने LCM इजी लगता है तो हम LCM निकाल लेंगे. फर्स्टली डिवाइड इट विद द 3. 3 9s are 3 30s are. Again with the 3. 3 3s are 3 10s are. Again with the 3. Now with the 2. Again with the 5. Now their LCM is 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. 5 2s are 10. 3 3 3 multiply करेंगे 27. It means their product is 270. LCM is 270. Now use the property. Product of two numbers is equals to HCF multiply LCM. Numbers की product means 27 multiply 90. HCF you have to find, then write HCF only. And the LCM is 270. Next step क्या होगा कि 270 multiply 90 and take this LCM value in the below of these values. Here 270 and HCF remain on the right hand side. Now 27 ones are 27 10s are 10 9s are. It means value of HCF is 9. We use this property and find the value of this. Now see the one more part. The value is 145 and 232. If we find the HCF with this 145, when we multiply it, it's 290. 290 is bigger, that's why we divide it with 1. 12 minus 5 7. It's again 2. 12 minus 4, it's 8. Now divide it with 87. 87 7 7 14 1 कैरी 170 ये बिगर है 1 पर 87 15 minus 7 8 and now 13 minus 58 again with then 58 funza 17 minus 8 9 and 7 minus 5 2 29 now 29 2s are 58 now HCF is 29 now use the property product of two numbers is equals to HCF multiply LCM now same fill the value 145 multiply 232 HCF is 29 and now you have to find the LCM अब क्या करेंगे 29 इधर डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा when we keep the one thing from the right hand side to left hand side if this is multiplied then it divides in the other side now cut it 29 5s are because here is 5 9 5s are 45 4 29 5s are 145 now multiply it 5 2s are 10 1 carry 5 3s are 15 and 1 carry 16 1 carry then 1 1 6 this is the LCM like this you can find your LCM or HCF with this property first or second question is now is complete thank you